Welcome back to my channel, Kenisha Says, and I'm Kenisha.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
If you haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe, share the video, and like. Today, we'll be talking about Badmind people, or as the Americans call it, the haters. What make una tan so? What make una just so dirty and bad mind? What make una always just a bad mind people for no reason at all? Wanna get outside? Wanna seriously get outside? I want to know. And let me make you understand this. Bad mind come in all different shape, size, form, anything you want to call it. Them come from the family, your close friend, your co-worker, even stranger. Just see you and just feel like say you're going like you're too nice or something, right? And don't get me wrong, everybody have them little, everybody have a little bone or something with little jealousy in them. You understand? But sometimes it manifests so much that it just turns you into a monster. Like, it's ridiculous, right? You have your own sister, your own brother, your own friend, where you feel like say they're supposed to support you and all these things, and once something start going for you, they feel like saying they're supposed to drive that car because they're supposed to have it. They feel like saying they're supposed to have the job because they're supposed to have it. You feel like saying they're supposed to shape a particular way because they're supposed to shape stuff. And even when you have less than them, then you still can't appreciate you have something. And they have one different type, right? Where feel like say, just they will help you out now at certain points in your life, or encourage you until you have more than them, and then everything come back down. I don't know what make people stand so. I don't know what make them stay so unfit happy. You know good. Why? Somebody try strive. Encourage them now. Happy feel. My friend, happy feel. They have a little business. Support them now. You understand? There is nothing wrong in, again, the little bone in you, sometimes you feel like, say, damn, shake that car that's sexy, but not let that car there. And just stop right there, so. When it takes you over, when they make you want to do things to hurt that person, or just spread unnecessary rumor, I just say, you're going too far. You're gone too far, Rasta. You need to stop those things. Be happy for somebody. Encourage somebody. Be naturally happy. Not just happy because I tell yourself you're happy. And then you're hypocritical self behind this and say, I wish you drop and broke your neck. No. Be naturally happy for them. You understand? Because you don't know what they did to get what they have. You don't know what kind of struggle, what kind of fighting, everything when they have to go through, how much ball at night time in them bed. You don't know if they even have one bed to go sleep on, if they live on the floor. You understand? Be happy for them. Be happy for them. And the worst when they come from somebody close. The worst when you're coming from your family members. The worst when you're coming from your friends. It's not nice, say you feel like somebody have your back all this time, and at the end of the day you realize they were hating on you. Your co-worker, you feel like you get one promotion, and you think they're not happy for you, and they say, yes girl, go on, and they be like, imagine her sleeping way to the top. She never do nothing, she never do nothing, she come and work late, she do this, da. No. Because your day is gonna come. And you're gonna want somebody to be happy for you. Matter of fact, if you continue to behave so, your day now come. You don't continue to sit down because all you're gonna be doing is just watch people business. And not even realize you now push your own weight. Forget what you want. Because your job now becomes being a hater. And let me tell you something. Because of all these people out there, you need to be careful of who and what you tell people. You understand? Let me say it again. You need to be careful of what and what to say to people, because not everybody want you to win. You understand that? And not everybody wants you to win. So sometimes when something happens to you in life, treat it like how Jamaican treat visa. When Jamaicans go get visa, or they don't try to go to the embassy, they don't tell nobody. A secret. Everything locked down. The only way you know are when they get the visa. Then say, you know something, go try for your visa, I get it. And it just depends on what and who you be so. Because they're not going to tell you. Because they know you can't teeth it. Yeah, then teeth the visa. So treat it like that. So if you try to get one house, you don't get one promotion, you try to do this, you try to go to school, you don't get a degree or whatever not. Yes, I know you want to tell somebody, you want somebody to be happy for you, but tell me, tell us it. And not everybody around you don't feel the same way. Especially if they now push their own self and push their own weight. You understand? So, don't tell everybody your business. Don't do it. Okay? Yeah, I want to know yourself. I want to know yourself. You want to know yourself. Stop hating on people. Stop hating on people. You understand? Be happy for them. Be happy for them. And so this video is not going to be a long one today. So I'm going to wrap it up real quick. But I just want to say, as Kenisha says, do not walk and tell a business to everybody, because all the blessings that you're getting is not everybody that wants you to win. So don't tell them your business. Keep it to yourself sometime. And all the bad mind people out there, stop hating. Find one next hobby. Go back to school. Go comb your ear. Maybe brush your teeth. Get a job. Do something apart from sitting on people's life. You have friends who go out there for no reason at all and just hate on you. They want your relationship to break up. They want you to lose your job. Then just bad mind you for no reason at all. I want to stop it. Alright? Until later, I want to remind you to go ahead and subscribe. Share this video. Do a thumbs up. Like it. And before you go, remember, put your post notification on, because a video will be coming out every Sunday. Don't forget, every Sunday. So go ahead and subscribe. Not only like it, I want you to like it, but I want you to subscribe, and I want you to watch it, and I want you to share it. Okay? Until next time, bye.